Thank you for joining me today. I know that you are struggling. I know that it's really hard to clear the way, clear that mental clutter. There's a lot of mental clutter in the world, always bombarding us. We don't know what to believe. We have so much information coming to us all the time. We always feel like we have to get everything done and we have to check off our to-do list. We're going about it all wrong. We're really here to be. So we're going to do a Kriya today to help us get there. This Kriya is called Cleaning the Clutter of the Mind. Be sure to pull your buttocks out of the way so you're actually sitting on your sitting bones. Pull up on the anal muscle, diaphragm up, navel point to the spine so you have a nice straight spine with a little arch in the lower back. Your heart is projecting forward and open. Your chin is parallel to the floor. So let's begin. We're going to let our tongues hang out and we're going to just breathe deeply in and out through our mouths using the diaphragm. Here we go. And we're going to keep our eyes closed and we're going to gaze at our third eye. Now immediately we're going to go into a breath of fire with our mouths open, breathing in and out through our mouths. Nice rounded mouth. Now bring yourself into a new mudra with your fingers. We're going to go with the ring finger and the thumbs touching together. We're going to bring our other fingers straight. We want to keep them nice and straight, and we're going to circle them in front of our hearts, and we want to make sure it's not hand over hand completely, but it's just fingers over fingers. And we're going to breathe in and out through our noses, gazing at the third eye. And we're going to move as fast as we can with this mudra. Remember to keep your fingers nice and straight and strong, moving as fast as you can. You will see that one hand might be doing more of the work than the other, or the other hand might feel some more pain than the other, and this is just the balancing out of the masculine and the feminine energies. And these energies are all connected through our nervous system and into our brain connectors, the neurons, and all of the other pathways that give us that connection all the way to the tips of our fingertips. So this is a very powerful Kriya. It's not easy. You're going to go through some different phases of challenges, whether it's to keep the fingers straight or to kind of deal with moving through some of the pain in one or both of the hands. Maybe you don't have any pain at all, and that would be great, because that means that you're in a more of a neutral place. Sometimes we are more in a masculine place, and we are in the action mode, and we're in the action mode. Maybe we're in the flow, but maybe also we're in the action mode too much, and we're not allowing ourselves to receive, which is the feminine modality, to be able to receive and to be open. And so maybe we just need to give that feminine aspect a little more opportunity to have a bigger role in our lives. And also at the same time, this could be clearing the clutter in the mind, right? We have too much going on in our minds. We're not even realizing that we are out of balance with our masculine and our feminine energies and the nervous system. So we want to keep ourselves in harmony. We want to keep ourselves in the flow, in the being, in the joy that we're meant to feel deep down all the time. And so that's where we're headed. Let's keep on going with this Kriya. We're almost there. Now take a deep inhale and bring the hands down, suspend the breath, pull up on the navel point, squeeze the anal point, push the energy all the way up the spine, exhale, and relax. Great. Now bringing the hands up, we're going to clasp our hands at the heart center, and we're going to grip them so that you're really holding on tight to the left and right hemisphere, or the left and right masculine, feminine aspects. And this is going to help us clear the clutter in our brains. So holding on tight, we're going to breathe naturally in and out through our noses. Gazing at the third eye. Now we're going to go back into the mudra that we were in before with our ring finger and our thumb together and our fingers nice and straight. And we're going to do this in front of the heart. Let's go. Good. Now bring your hands down and we're going to begin our breath of fire. Now we're going to do the same Kriya that we did at the beginning with the relaxed tongue. Here we go. Good. Now we're going to begin our breath of fire through a rounded mouth. Now relax. Meditate. Natural breath in and out through the nose. And slowly open your eyes. And you have completed the Clear Your Clutter Kriya. Now I'd like you to drink a lot of liquids, a lot of water, and try practicing this every day for the next week. Share with a friend, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.